Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see what are the 5 ways to increase our wealth. So normally if you see I am a salary holder or I am a businessman, how I can create wealth. It is possible that you can create wealth if you follow these 5 steps, minimum 5 steps. And if you avoid these 5 steps, surely you can succeed. Surely you can build wealth. So normally study is not an important. You have studied a PhD or doctorate or engineer, lawyer, anything or MBA, anything. So normally don't think that study is so important. It is the thing that how we are behaving. If you are a businessman, what are the business you have to do? How you have to make yourselves into grow in your business. So you think like that. If you are working in a company, if you are for 10 years, 20 years, how I have to work, what are the knowledge I have to grab, how I have to behave with the friends, these are things we must make yourself. So study is not at all important. Be a businessman or salary holder. You choose your life. You choose your life. You be a businessman or you be a staff or a officer in a firm or company, and for that company what are the necessaries are required, according to that you act. Daily record your spending, how much you are spending and why you are spending, you have to record. Then only if you know whether it is necessary or not. So daily record your spending, save your hard earned money. So because you worked hard, if you are a businessman, you are getting up yearly and purchasing from a long distance where there is a less, and you are getting only 1% or 2% of margin, and you are working daily day and night hard. So if you are working as an officer from morning 9 to night 8 or 9 you are working, so it's a hard earned money here. So always you must save your money. You have to create your asset. This asset means not land. It can be a land, it can be plot, it can be car or bike, or it can be gold, jewels, or silver ornaments, or any mobiles. Any item which you are creating is an asset, because your hard earned money you are putting it and you are getting it. You are creating. So you must create assets. Don't think past. I was like this, my father was like this, my grandpa was like this, we have a lot of this like that. Don't think past, because past is past, we cannot get it. Think future. Now I am like this, after 2 years, after 3 years I will be like this. So you must have a very good idea. So if you, for future, if you think according to that, you will run it, you will work it. So always think about the future. Maximum avoid show off, because I am having a lot of golds, I am having a big house, I am having very big car. So like that, show off maximum you avoid it. And no don't stock it. If necessary, then only you buy any item. Don't keep the materials as a stock. And have a very good relationship with your friends. Your friends will be near and there with you, so you must have a very good relationship with them. Always have a with a colleague, relatives, family members. A good relationship will make you to grow into next height. Be truth to yourself, be truth to your friends, relatives, everything, and be honest. Always you be honest, because somebody will believe that this fellow is very good, he is very capable of doing that. So be truth and honest to yourself and everybody, and think that this will just pass. Now you are suffering from some, you are so weak, you are so poor, you must think that I am poor now, this will just pass. So Sailendra Babu, our DGP, always used to tell this word, because I also like his motivation speak. This will just pass. So always think that your condition will change. So according to that, you will make yourself, you will build your wealth. So these are the 5 ways to increase your wealth. You have to do this. You have to record it in your mind. This you must not do it. You must avoid it. These are the things. Now note your daily spending. What, how much you are spending, how much you are giving. Daily you have monthly you have to note it. Then only you must know monthly how much expenditure is there. You must make your budget. You be your finance minister. Spending, how much you are spending, how much you are savings, and all. Discuss with your family. Always I used to tell that you discuss with your family. If you want a job, if you are going for a job, you discuss with your family. I am going to a job. If you are going to foreign for jobs, foreign for studies, for anything, you must discuss with your family. If you are going to start a business, what is the plus minus, you always discuss with your family. Early morning, get up early morning and sleep early. So normally 6 a.m. if you are getting up, 9 o'clock, if you're a businessman, 7 to 8 you have to open the shop. If you are office, you have to go at 9 o'clock. Before 10 you have to reach the office. So late from office you will come to home 8 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. After that you have to cook it and eat it. Before 10 you have to sleep it, because because a lot of people are sleeping at 11, 12 and all, getting up at 8 o'clock, 8:30. You must avoid it. You must teach your children also that get up early and sleep early. If you follow, then only your children also will follow it. Make your monthly timetable. You make your timetable monthly. So I am spending this weekly. I am going to groceries, I am getting in a wholesale area. Weekly vegetables I am getting from a market. This much are the spendings, like that you must record it monthly. Have a very good relationship with your friends, near officers, colleagues and everybody. If you are having a very good relationship, you surely you will have a very good life. Always think that you are not superior, and also you are not inferior. Always you are equal. So you must because a lot of people think that I know everything, because everybody will not know everything. You know something, and my friend, another your friend also will know something. So he will not be superior to you, and he will not be inferior to you. Always think in mind that you're not superior and you are not inferior also. Please you teach your children also that they are not superior and they are not inferior. They are, then only they can lead a very good life. You must avoid this. Don't do this. Don't stock, because if you are going to buy a shirt or one shirt, they are giving discount for 3 shirt. So the value will be same only. They will hide the value, but in the name of discount or absolute stock, they will sell it, because that stock in their office will come to your home as a stock, absolute stock. Always don't stock materials. Don't upgrade yourself. Often don't upgrade yourself. If it is necessary, if you upgrade from 2G to 4G, there was a gap. So there is a mobile changes is required. In 4G, there are various mobiles. For that you don't change. For bike, car, for any materials, don't change, don't upgrade yourself. If it is necessary, you change it, because money is important, money is involved in that. If you upgrade, you have to spend it. Whether that spending is correct or not, whether it is necessary, you must always think it. Don't show off often, don't show it to yourself. You have everything, you have house, you have jewels, you have this and that. Don't show off always. Overspending, avoid overspending. We must have a spending savings of 10 to 15%. If you are getting a salary of 20,000, 3,000 is rent, grocery is 7,000, debt is 5,000, EBA is 3,000, totally 18,000 you must have it. So like that you must have a very good agenda, and 2,000 monthly saving, 1,000, 2,000 you put as a RD, you put as deposits. Like that you must develop yourselves. Other local or other debts, maximum you avoid it, because lot of people they know their salary, then also they will get the debt to purchase something, purchase any meet any emergency. So always you know your salary, you know your business, according to that you must have a debt. My suggestion is bank. You go to bank and get debt, because rate of interest will be less in bank. There will be, I know that it's a procedure is lengthy, but surely it's a regularized one, and you will get a very good loan, because a lot of people will go for home loan, they will get from outside for 14% or 15%. Quickly they will get it the loan, but if you go to bank, they will take 1 week, but the 1 week, 10 days or 1 month, but the rate of interest is 7, nearly half of that the rate of interest. So your money is saved. So you must avoid these five things, and you must remember this record and remember these 5 things. Then surely you can build your wealth. If you like this video, forward to your friends. I am your well wisher, I am your family members. So your development is so important. If you like it, subscribe it, share it, and keep supporting. Thanks a lot.